We're gonna make cottage cheese gnocchi, the most pillow-like gnocchi that you've ever had with cottage cheese. So I'm gonna start by making my zucchini pesto sauce. Some garlic in it, some pine nuts. You can swap out walnuts or whatever nut is your favorite. Almonds work as well. I'm gonna add zucchini and a little bit of jalapeno. I love sneaking in like zucchini into a recipe like this. It just oozes fitness and health. If you don't like zucchini, you can replace this with broccoli or kale or something like that. Our Parmesan cheese in here as well. A lot of basil from our garden, a little bit of parsley. I'm also gonna add a good amount of olive oil right here. I'm gonna put a squeeze of lemon juice in it as well. Black pepper and pinch of salt. And now we're gonna give this a whirl. I got the zucchini on the bottom because I want that to really pulverize. Okay, so there we go. I have my zucchini pesto off to the side. It's time to make our third dish, and that means it's gnocchi time. Cottage cheese, AP flour. I'm also going to add some eggs, some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of nutmeg, salt, and pepper. And we are ready to make our dough. And again, just gonna pulse this up. Trying not to overwork it, that's really important. And then just sort of bringing this dough together. Now the fun part. We roll our cottage cheese gnocchi balls into barrels, making these little grooves in the gnocchi so that the pesto sticks to the dumpling or whatever sauce. A light tomato sauce would be fun, but I like doing the pesto because then you'll see the gnocchi, or even just some butter. Some butter, a little nutmeg, some lemon juice. It's a fancy dinner. I'd charge probably $32 for this dish. Probably a little less now. I would deliver it, of course. We'll just plop in our gnocchis, and you can see when they get into the water, right? They sink. And when the gnocchi floats, that's when you know it's done, okay? While the gnocchi is cooking, I will heat up in this pan my pesto sauce. So this pan has some olive oil in it. So they're just about done. And with any great pasta dish, you want the pasta to come from the water to go into the sauce. Add those right to our zucchini pesto. This is going to be dinner in my house tonight.